Here's your fuel injector on your 5.3 Chevrolet engine, and you need some long pliers like this. The shorter needle nose pliers will slip off, and so you just grab it on both sides of this. Grab this little gray part right here on both sides with some needle nose. Give it a little squeeze and a tug, and that part will pull right off. Now you see it fell down, but it can only go so far there. So that's that part that you just took off. So you get this out of the way. A lot of cars will already have that off if anybody's worked on it before. All right, and then you see the two little tabs right here in the, let me use the shorter pliers to show you those. Maybe you can see that point right there. There's two little tabs on the black part right there, right in the middle. So you squeeze it right in the middle, put a finger on the back side, and squeeze that tab down, and it should just pop right off of there. And so when you squeeze that, you see what you're pushing on. When you squeeze those little tabs in, you make that little catch go up. So hopefully this will help somebody. It was real difficult for me to figure it out. There were several videos about it, but none of them seem to be up close to where you can and really explain it. Now when you put this back on, you just push it back in like I just did, and then you slide this little gray protector over that part there. Okay, thanks. Hope this helps somebody. Have a great day.